In the photography world, some cameras quietly fade away rather than being replaced with a big announcement. That appears to be the case with the Fujifilm X-S30. Across multiple regions, it's gradually disappearing from store shelves, signaling that Fujifilm isn't simply preparing a minor refresh. The Fujifilm X-S30, still unannounced, is emerging as a potential game-changer in the APS-C hybrid segment. Unlike flashy flagships, the XS line has always targeted creators seeking Fujifilm's renowned color science in a user-friendly, versatile body. This is particularly important in a market dominated by Canon and Sony, where Fujifilm needs to stand out through thoughtful ergonomics, real-world usability, and hybrid-focused features rather than sheer specifications. The phased withdrawal of the X-S30 suggests that Fujifilm isn't just replacing a model, it's redefining the XS line with the X-S30, aiming to provide a compelling tool for hybrid photographers and videographers alike. Leaked information suggests the Fujifilm X-S30 could feature a next-generation X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. Some rumors point to a 40-megapixel variant, potentially adapted from higher-end models, offering extraordinary detail for an APS-C sensor. Other leaks suggest Fujifilm might implement a more moderate 26-megapixel sensor paired with the X Processor 5. While lower in resolution, this option could provide faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, and consistent low-light performance. For hybrid shooters, photographers who rely on both stills and motion, these performance characteristics can be more impactful than megapixel counts alone, particularly when shooting fast-moving subjects or video content. Fujifilm's renowned color science is expected to remain a highlight, but the X-S30 could finally address the brand's long-standing autofocus shortcomings, potentially introducing AI-powered subject detection for people, animals, birds, and vehicles. According to leaks, this system could maintain focus through movement, occlusion, and changes in direction, which would be a significant step forward in usability for real-world shooting scenarios. Video capabilities are reportedly a major focus for the X-S30. The camera may offer oversampled 4K recording at up to 60p, along with improved thermal management to support long recording sessions. With 10-bit output via HDMI, the X-S30 could integrate easily into semi-professional video workflows, giving solo creators and small production teams reliable footage without the complexity of a cinema camera. In-body stabilization is expected to return with up to 7 stops of correction, expanding handheld shooting options and improving low-light performance, especially when paired with longer lenses. Ergonomically, Fujifilm seems committed to continuity. The deep grip, mode dial, fully articulated LCD screen, and compact form factor ensure familiarity for existing users, while battery life remains strong thanks to the NPW235 battery and USB-C power delivery for extended shooting sessions. The X-S30 appears to be a deliberately designed hybrid camera rather than one chasing flashy specs. By combining reliable autofocus, strong video performance, robust stabilization, and approachable ergonomics, the X-S30 could redefine what mid-range hybrid cameras are capable of. This model seems aimed at photographers and videographers who want a dependable, versatile tool, offering professional-level functionality without the intimidation or expense of a flagship body. It's not an incremental refresh, it's a strategic rethinking of Fujifilm's APS-C hybrid lineup. Alongside the XS series, Fujifilm's X Pro line is also rumored to be evolving. Sources suggest that the next-generation X Pro, possibly the X Pro 5, could succeed what some expected to be the X Pro 4. Rumors indicate a major overhaul, including a next-generation X-Trans sensor around 40 megapixels and a faster processor, improving readout speeds and dynamic range. Perhaps the most notable potential addition is in-body stabilization, which would be a first for a rangefinder-style body. Successfully integrating IBIS would significantly enhance low-light capabilities and expand the usability of longer lenses without compromising the X Pro's classic design. The hybrid viewfinder is expected to see iterative improvements, with faster EVF refresh, improved parallax correction, and smoother transitions between optical and electronic modes, enhancing the shooting experience while maintaining the series' signature tactile simplicity. The timing of these releases appears strategic. Early 2026 is the most frequently cited target, suggesting that Fujifilm is prioritizing a well-executed update over rushing to market. This aligns with the rumors of a renumbering, skipping X Pro 4 to instead launch the X Pro 5, signaling a significant evolution rather than a minor spec bump. Sources indicate this model will focus on improving performance and usability, not just chasing megapixels or flashy features. Key rumored updates include faster sensor readouts, enhanced dynamic range, IBIS, and improved rolling shutter performance, features that could elevate the X Pro line to handle more hybrid scenarios, from street photography to video production, while maintaining its discreet, rangefinder-style appeal. From a usability perspective, Fujifilm seems to be emphasizing practical performance improvements. The X-S30 and potential X Pro 5 could introduce advanced AI autofocus, oversampled video, high-speed sensor readout, and stronger stabilization, all aimed at enhancing real-world workflow. Ergonomic improvements such as magnesium chassis construction, better weather sealing, refined grips, USB-C power delivery, and subtle button layout refinements all indicate that Fujifilm is carefully balancing modernization with the tactile simplicity fans expect. These updates suggest that Fujifilm's focus is on reliability, consistency, and efficiency, which could make these cameras valuable for creators who need dependable tools over headline specs. While the X-S30 is positioned as a mid-range hybrid, its combination of features could make it an unexpectedly powerful choice. Strong autofocus, reliable video, oversampled 4K recording, IBIS, and user-friendly ergonomics make it appealing to both hybrid shooters and solo creators. The potential X Pro 5, with the next-generation sensor, IBIS, and improved viewfinder, could redefine the high-resolution rangefinder category, blending Fujifilm's classic shooting experience with modern capabilities. These releases demonstrate Fujifilm's intention to modernize its lineup thoughtfully, providing creators with tools that are both capable and intuitive. Rumored specifications for both cameras highlight practical, real-world benefits. Improved autofocus, better stabilization, high-speed sensor readout, and oversampled video capture enhance reliability and flexibility. Ergonomic enhancements and long-lasting power solutions, like USB-C charging and extended battery life, indicate Fujifilm's commitment to professional usability. These cameras are designed to meet the demands of hybrid shooters and creators who require consistent performance and functional design in the field, rather than chasing raw spec sheets or marketing hype. For mid-range hybrid shooters, the X-S30 promises a highly capable entry into Fujifilm's ecosystem without sacrificing performance or ergonomics. Meanwhile, the potential X Pro 5 could elevate Fujifilm's high-resolution rangefinder series, incorporating IBIS, improved video options, and a faster, more capable sensor. Together, these models signal that Fujifilm is taking a more deliberate approach to camera development, blending traditional design strengths with modern performance improvements. This dual approach could attract photographers and videographers seeking cameras that are both highly capable and comfortable to use for extended periods. In conclusion, the Fujifilm X-S30 and potential X Pro 5 are poised to be more than incremental upgrades. With smarter sensor technology, faster processing, AI-driven autofocus, improved stabilization, and thoughtful ergonomics, Fujifilm is quietly reshaping its APS-C and rangefinder camera lines. These cameras aim to balance classic Fujifilm design, color science, and usability with modern hybrid performance, creating tools that are not only capable but also intuitive for real-world shooting. For photographers and videographers who value performance, workflow efficiency, and reliability, the X-S30 and X Pro 5 could set new benchmarks in their respective categories, offering both a practical and powerful upgrade path.